Relatively optimistic that they'll eke out some kind of compromise. I think both sides need to just show progress. It clearly won't be the end of the road. I think it's going to be a long process going through the whole of next year, the election year. We all know, don't we, that the Americans are pretty hostile to China for a whole series of psychological and national reasons. It's not just Donald Trump. And I think the Chinese know they're in for a long game. I think both sides want to show some progress, but not too much. Mr. Trump wants to prevent the stock markets from crashing, but he doesn't want to go soft on the Chinese. So there's a bit of a gingerly dancing around each other game going on here, and we just have to be ready for this game to continue.
Well, speaking of being ready for this game to continue from an investing point of view, how do you manage the almost daily changes that we see? Yes, there's going to be a deal. No, it might not be as good as what we originally thought. Yes, there might be one side offering some concessions. How do you trade that, or do you just put that noise to one side?
Well, the fashionable word is noise or froth. I remember asking a member of the Federal Reserve recently how he dealt with Mr. Trump and his incessant tweets about the Federal Reserve. And he said, well, there's lots of guys in real estate who like to make noises about interest rates. We just have to put up with it. And it's probably not helpful. It's a distraction to have all this. But I think both the Chinese and the Americans do need to play the public relations game in different ways. Very difficult to say is the answer to you. I think you can't ignore the noise altogether. This is the noise being made by the President of the United States and by the leader of the second biggest economy. As I say, I think they're on a long-term trajectory towards a compromise, and it will involve some considerable pain for the Chinese. I think they're going to have to get used to that.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.